Hi, Elliot.
Huh?
Hi.
Hi. Nobody's working.
What's that?
Nobody's working.
Yeah, they're probably done for the week. Or they might come back tomorrow.
Maybe they might work on it tomorrow. Work on the weekends.
Well, they might work this Saturday so they don't have to work during the snow on Wednesday.
Oh yeah, and on Sunday too, you know. And if it's gonna be rainy, but
Look, so be careful and watch where you walk.
family.
Did you hear me?
Yeah.
Watch where you walk.
Oh, see ya.
You found the stairs, huh?
Huh?
You found the stairs?
Yeah.
Watch where you walk.
Now this is gonna get hard.
Now are you confused?
Yeah.
So this will probably be your room that I'm standing in. Now you're in the bathroom. What's that? Hey, we'll leave here in a minute. So be the other bedroom.
I can see your car, Daddy.
You can.
Yeah.
Let's see. Oh yeah. You can see Jackson's house too.
Huh?
You can see Jackson's house too.
Where?
Come look.
Oh yeah, over there.
Through the power pole there.
Yeah. Let's go. We're upstairs now.
Did you fall?
See that step there.
What?
Let's see that step there.
You didn't see that step there. Ellie, come here once again. Come here.
It's easier to go up. Daddy. You know it's easier to go up?
Oh, it is?
Yeah, because you can see what's going up in front of you.
So this here is the bonus room, they call it. There'll be a room above the whole garage there.
That's the garage.
That's the garage, a 3-car garage, and there's gonna be a big room up there for you to play in. Don't go too close. So that'll be your like toy room and stuff. What do you think?
Mamma mia!
Mamma mia!
Probably jumps down there.
I don't think so, Tim.
Huh? I was thinking that looked like broken glass.
It sure does.
Let's go downstairs. See what it looks like upstairs now.
That's my room.
Huh?
Now you're in my room.
What's that stuff?
Snow or sawdust.
Okay, a second. Hey, how do we get to the garage now?
What?
How do we get to the
You'll have to figure that out. You'll have to teach me.
So we can't get it there yet?
Oh, I'm sure we can.
Not right now?
Yeah. Just have to find the right way. It's like a maze.
So can we go way downstairs? Like the basement?
No, we cannot go in the basement. It's all ice down there right now. That's Mom's closet.
Huh?
You're in Mom's closet.
Where am I now?
Mom's closet.
Where am I right now?
Mom's closet.
Now where am I?
My bedroom.
Now where am I?
Hallway.
Now where
I'm in the bathroom.
I'm taking a shower.
There's no shower in this bathroom.
Will there be a shower upstairs?
Yes.
So it's gonna be like the opposite, Daddy.
Yeah. That's the garage there.
Let's go.
I'm sure you figured that out.
It's really cold.
I know, we're almost done. Almost done. This is the kitchen.
It's our old house.
Yeah, me too.
Daddy.
Mm-hmm.
Alright. What's in here, Daddy?
That's gonna be the fireplace.
Let's go, 'cause I'm freezing.
Okay.